Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So first of all, just go to search bar and type here sysdm.cpl, and from the search results we need to click on this. So it will open a new window. So go to advanced tab and from the startup and recovery click on settings. Once we are here, we need to uncheck this option, that is automatically restart, and once done click on OK and close this window. Again go to search bar and then type here task manager and click on run new task, then select browse button, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now find out system32 folder. So here it is, open it and now find out cmd.exe file. So here it is, select it and just click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, so this is we need to execute some commands here. So type these commands carefully, type in gp update and hit enter. So this will take a few seconds to complete the process. Once done, we will move to the next command, that will be chkdsk space c colon. So type in chkdsk space c colon and hit enter. Again this will take a few time, around 4 to 5 minutes to complete this process. Once done, we need to restart the system and the problem will be solved. You can also check out our pinned comment to fix this issue quickly, and there we go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.